As we know, tribes always known for their best practices. They never exploit the resources hugely. They have a mutualistic relationship with forests. Both gets benefits from each other. Example, tribes grow plants and protection of sacred groves, so it benefits forest. And tribes take minor forest produce from forest, so it helps tribes. The tribals claimed a symbiotic relationship with the land and forest that they have inhabited. Jal, jungle, and zameen. These are the three major things required for their survival. Jal, jungle, and zameen were not resources to be extracted for profit, but an inalienable part of their tribal identity. They never consider forest is an inalienable part from their tribal identity because they worship, they protect the forest. They consider it is very essential for their survival. Now we see some of the examples of tribes with their best practices. First one is Maldaris. Maldari means goods, owner of goods. These tribes are living in Gujarat. In Gujarat Gir National Park. The Maldaris have lived in the Gir National Park in the Bunny Grassland Reserve area for the past 1000 years. They have coexisted with the lions, which the Gir National Park was created to preserve. So what is the best thing here is they have coexisted with the lions. This is one of the best practice we can learn from Maldaris. Never harm the animal. We can even coexist and existentially live with animals. This is the best example. Next is the Chenchus, a particularly vulnerable tribal group, have significantly contributed to tiger conservation in Andhra Pradesh. Their traditional knowledge and sustainable practices combined with modern training have led to a remarkable revival of tiger population. The Nagarjun Sagar Sri Salem Tiger Reserve is the largest tiger reserve in India. In this tiger reserve, with the help of Chenchus plus Forest Department, both with the help of both tribes and government forest department, it helped to revival of tiger population. So wildlife conservation, this is one of the best practice we can learn from this example. Tribes such as Kani tribe also called Kanikaran tribe. This is a scheduled tribe living in the forest and hilly regions of western Ghats of Tamil Nadu and Kerala. A highly potent medicinal plant. This is endemic to Agastya Hills. Endemic means it restricts to only particular area. That miracle plant name is Arogya Pacha. It is also called miracle plant. Kani tribe use this plant for medicinal use. They use traditional use by the Kani tribal community to combat fatigue. Fatigue means extreme tiredness. At the time of extreme tiredness, Kani tribe use this plant as a medicinal purpose. So we have to conserve plant resources and gain good knowledge about indigenous plants knowledge where we can use for medicines and Ayurvedic research. Next is they have huge knowledge on agriculture also. They follow traditional method of agriculture. They don't use excessive chemical fertilizers. So they practice crop rotation, intercropping, and regenerative soils with organic matter. These practices help to sequester carbon in the soil, which help to reduce greenhouse gases. This is also one of the best practice we can learn from this. So example of agriculture sector is Koraput region tribal practices. So UN heritage status for Odisha's Koraput farming system. This region was also globally included agriculture heritage site. This site was given by Food and Agriculture Organization. This heritage tag was given by FAO. This tag was received Koraput farming system because they have indigenous knowledge and farming practices of the region's tribal peoples recognized for promoting food security and conserving biodiversity. And they worship forest. They never hugely exploit the forest resources. We can see this in the conservation of forest. We can see in sacred groves, especially in the northeast region. It is in more number. The northeast region of India is known for its rich biodiversity and unique cultural technique, which is reflected in the region's many sacred groves. Sacred groves we can see in other parts of India also. It has huge ecological and cultural significance. These are some of the best practices we can learn from the tribes. I hope you liked it. If you like, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.